Today's video is probably just going to be a little comparison video for you diesel guys trying to figure out what exhaust setup you want to do. This is a 5-inch straight pipe. It sounds awesome, but it is a little loud. It drones a little bit at certain RPMs. So I'm going to put this resonator on. This is a Flow Pro, I believe. There we go. It's like an auger almost. And it's open in the center. I had to trim it back because both ends are flared, but I have one end on my tailpipe that is flared, so I just cut the flared part off. That will slide into the tailpipe. So I have a couple sound clips. This is tuned. I have the 5-position switch, so I'll put it in the stock one so you can hear what it sounds like stock straight pipe. I just helped a friend with his LBZ, which is stock, but put an exhaust on it, 5-inch straight pipe. He went with a muffler, so I'll show you what his sounds like. I'll show you what this sounds like. It's all with the stock tune, all three. And then I'll show you what my truck sounds like with the rumble tune, straight pipe, and then rumble with this. His truck doesn't rumble with the muffler, but you'll get it for this at least. Decal going out to LS Swap Guru.
If you want one, let us know.
So I just put the resonator on it, recorded a little bit before you got in here.
Oh.
Just showing the idling clips, but I wanted to see how much different it sounds inside the cabin. Did a couple of drive-bys.
Cool.
You can already tell the inside isn't drone nearly as bad. My stupid inside doesn't work. Trash. I wish another company would come out with one of these like insight deals, because the Edge is really the only company that makes a good one. no competition. A lot quieter inside, huh? I like it. Get on the freeway and see if it drones at like, it used to drone at like 1600 RPMs. Might have to send this back to the edge. Just updated it too. I thought maybe it just needed an update. No.
Apparently, I heard these cars over here got vandalized.
No.
Yeah. See?
Oh man.
That's a bummer.
I'm so pissed. People have no respect.
Yeah.
Anybody else's property.
Yeah.
Something sitting there for sale and someone comes and breaks the windshield. This muffler adds like 100 horsepower. And it like spins, so it creates like a velocity screw that sucks the exhaust out of your tailpipe.
Shouldn't tell me
Adds like
that.
100 horsepower.
Because then I'd be really racing people at stoplights.
For this Resonator, I got the shorter one. There's a longer one that's like 22 or 24 inches. This one's like 16 or 17, something like that. I'll leave the link to the one I got in the description, but I think it sounds good. I don't even hear the exhaust now. It's definitely quieter inside the cab. I'm happy with it. I mean, it sounds awesome being straight pipe, but when you drive it for more than like an hour, it kind of gets old.
I don't mind it.
Yeah, because you never drive it.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
What?
Walk around the back. Walk around the back.
From the back?
Yeah, walk around the back.
Oh, like this way? Okay.
Did it rip? Did it blow any smoke or no?
Little.
Clean tunes.
Yeah.
We don't roll coal over here.
No.
Chirp the tires a little bit though. That's only the 100 horse tune. Still got the 130. That's not even the built trans tune.